Welcome back. In this video we are going to look for or download some soundtrack, or let's say background music. So we search for images, we created animated images, we exported our first slides. We are going to add soundtracks or edit our audio. So now let's go to this software. We are going to use this software. This is where we can get our audios from. So we are going to search for Human Brave. Okay, let's type Human and you'll see what we need here. Human clap. You know what we need. Human, where is it? Okay, this is a female. You want a male form of this. Okay, this is it here. I've downloaded it. What is it? Human. Just want to show it to you. You can also get it. Okay, it is here. This is what you want. Okay, so to download it, you highlight the part you want and drag it to where you want it to be. You see, I already have it, so I'll replace it. So our second sound will be animal, dog, animal. Okay, copy it to there, enter. Animal, dog barking. You can hear this. This is not what you need. Bar. Okay, this is what you need. So click on it, drag it to where you want it to be. So after this, we'll edit the audios we downloaded and see you in the next video.